Vizulingo. Hi, my name is Clément Bambou. I'm a student here working on, among other things, on computer vision. And I'm here to present you Vizulingo, a tool for Google Glass to learn a new language using object recognition. So basically everyone wants to learn a new language, but it's like for me, just for instance, I wish I could speak better English today because my presentation would be much better. And so a lot of people want to have learn new languages. The only problem is that nobody got the time, because it's like there is a perfect recipe for it. It's like you take 20 minutes of your day to learn your vocabulary every day, and then you get in 3 months, 6 months, you get a really good level in any language you want. Okay, so how do we use the Google Glass to solve this problem? Okay, so I'm gonna try this little demo and see how it goes. All right, do you want to finish? Yeah, finish it. So let's try this. Okay, Glass. Vizulingo. This is not pretty good. Let's try again. A better picture. Sorry.
Do you want me to just put it there in the light?
You want to see the bananas also?
No. Just, no.
Well, you might get that actually.
Okay, Glass. Vizulingo. Vizulingo. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so what is happening right now is I send the image on a server running on my computer, which has a deep learning neural network that has been trained by some really smart people for 1 week, and but I just get the results because I publish it. And so what you can see on my screen, well, you can't see it, which is
Touch the phone.
yeah.
You kind of can, but it's,
Ah.
I mean, you can't. It is on the screen, but it's not.
Okay.
Sometimes it will go on.
It's just super faint.
Yes, okay. Good. Well, the first word written on it is banana, which is a picture that I took
It is.
with my.
Customer.
And yeah, so there is no trick behind it. There is a real neural network working on this, and this is really scalable for any web application. So we're on the merge of using this deep neural network to solve really object recognition. So today I have a prototype that works on a wide surfaces recognizing bananas, but if I or any object, by the way. But if I take a picture here, I won't get really good results. But within the 5 or next 10 years, using web scale services, we'll solve object recognition. And I believe that implementing object recognition tasks on Google Glass is a good thing. So can you switch back to? Sorry,
You can just do it.
yeah. Yeah, so why do we need this kind of application? It's kind of awkward to be in the middle of a conversation and say Google Translate, because you don't really want to do that. But if you could just take a picture really fast, and personally it happens to me every day to be in a room and I want to say how do you say this, for instance working in a lab, you get really complicated stuff and you don't know the words for it, and if you could just take a picture really fast and get the results, it'd be really cool. You could build all sort of games to make the learning really really stimulating, having cards that are stored on your Android app, on Android phone, and go back after 1 day on these cards. So you could basically, every time you're walking in the street and see something you don't know, just take a quick snapshot and like learn how to say this word in a different language. So you couldn't see it. So the first word was banana, and there was a translation in French after, which is banane. Not so hard. So
We're gonna have to wrap up.
okay, so this is the end. So I hope like you can start Vizulingoing soon. That's great. Share us the phone. So you guys come back.
Have you seen the word banana on the phone?
Yeah. I don't know if it's to get my Sorry,
leave that on for
sorry.
Hey, is your only recognition just having a huge cash collection with loads of people in the
So there is this huge database called ImageNet, where researchers have trained their neural networks on it. And the good thing is that the training takes a lot of time, like 1 week on a GPU, a fast GPU, but like just get a result. It's really fast. You can like run it. This is running all on my computer with one CPU. So this is and the good thing is that this net is just like a result from 2 years ago. It's a small neural network, but with Google scale and things happening, you'll solve object recognition in the next 5 or 10 years.
But you're only going to be able to translate things that you can take a picture of in your immediate surroundings, is it right?
Yes.
Like how do you get a verb or an abstract noun or something?
What
If you want to say mountain, and you don't have to be standing next to a mountain.
Yeah, it's true, but I do believe that. Well, for instance, I use Google Translate a lot, but what struck me is that I use often Google Translate to translate the same word, because I just like don't remember them, because it's like okay, I got the information, I don't need it. But if you get a picture, you get a real connection in your brain with the word, and you can like actually use this kind of cards to remember and play it like a game, like at the end of the day, like just swap your cards and see guess what this word is.